Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we are going to make Amaranth Brittles, also known as Rajgira Chikki. Rajgira Chikki is a sweet bar made with popped amaranth seeds and jaggery. Amaranth seeds are super high in protein. It has many minerals and vitamins, and also it is gluten free. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update. And don't forget to share your comments in the comment section box below. And let's get started. Here I'm using half a cup of amaranth seeds and we will pop these seeds. So for that, heat up pan and add 1 teaspoon of Rajgira seeds in it. Let them puff up. Cover the lid if desired and keep on moving it so that it doesn't burn. And keep the flame from medium to high, because if you will keep a low flame then your seeds will not pop up. This process is almost like popcorn. All Rajgira do not puff up. When all the seeds are popped up, take a bowl with a strainer on it. Pour out the puffed Rajgira on the strainer and strain it. The puffed Rajgira will remain in the strainer and seeds will be left back into the bowl. Repeat the same process for all Rajgira seeds. Now our popped amaranth seeds are ready. These are the seeds which didn't puffed up, so we are not going to use this. So with a half a cup of amaranth seeds, I was able to make 3 cups of popped amaranth seeds. So for that, I'm taking 1 cup of jaggery. So this is the ratio we are going to use in order to make chikkis. Now heat up the pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter. Once the ghee melts, add 1 cup of jaggery. Let the jaggery melt completely. When the jaggery melts completely, add 1 tablespoon of water. This will make our chikki softer. So if you don't like soft chikkis, then you can skip this step. Now make a syrup and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes and not more than that, because we don't want our jaggery to burn. Keep on low to medium heat. Now add puffed Rajgira and also add half a cup of almond flour. This is optional. If you don't want to use almond flour, you can skip this. Mix everything well together. Once everything is mixed together, turn off the stove and take out the pan from the flame. In order to give a round shape, I am using this cookie cutter today. If you don't want to use this cutter, then you can simply spread all the mixture and you can cut it into square shape. Pour the mixture into the cookie cutter. Press it gently with the help of your fingers, or you can take a bowl like this and you can even it out with that. Now press it gently and take it out from the cutter, and here we have our Rajgira Chikki ready. Similar way, make all the chikkis. If you like this video, then please give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to share with your families and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.